Hello guys, so today I got a Dewalt Atomic Compact Series of a oscillating tool. So with a model number of DCS354B. Whoa. So they have the instruction manual, some bits, or the Dewalt oscillating tool. Let's see how easy is it to put on the blade or bit or blade, what do you call that? So this is the typical blade. So these are just gonna put this one on like that, and there, voila, done. And to take it out, just press this back there. Wow. And you can do any sides, like that, this side, there. This is what's in the box, with 2 blades to get you started, right there. So yeah, and then when we have this battery charge, so we're gonna try it. So it's fully charged now. You can see 3 bars, and I'm gonna try this. This one is lock and unlock. What's the middle? Oh, it's also lock. The LED light is so bright. You can see the noodle, Mr. Noodle. So if we will use bimetal, let's see. Ah, it vibrates on my hand. Look at that. That's fast. Ow. Cool. And the LED light is so bright too. That's what I like. And easy to remove the blade. And you can see here, plus the battery have indicator if it's full or halfway or no battery. And the grip, see, look at my hands, 3 finger here and 1 for triggering, 1 for triggering. You can stand it like that. You can use this as a flashlight, right?
Yes. Because of its LED light.
Yeah, LED light is bright. So I have a I have a project here that I'm gonna be cutting a ABS pipe for you know, for drainage right there. So this guy, so I'll be cutting this, and I'll be adding a breather, air breather, or drainage breather. This one. Be adding this. So this will allow air through the system, through the drainage system, so that when I have this main coming from upstairs in the shower, so it will not vacuum the water on my P-trap for the washer. It will not vacuum it. It will take air from here. So this is like a one-way bulb. Yeah. So yeah, I will be needing T here, and then a bit of maybe 2 feet 5, and then this on the top, like that maybe. So we'll be installing it here, but this wood or this board is obstructing it, so we're gonna be using our tools to cut that one. Quick one, yeah, cutting here. See? I like it to be flat on the other side. Finally!
We got that hardwood out.
Oh, this one has a nail.
That's why it has problems cutting.
Yeah.
At the middle.
It's all good, yeah.
Yes.
Here it is.
Good job.
Good. So for me, the performance of this oscillating tool from Dewalt is superb. Really good. Although it consumed the 1 bar of the battery. I'll show you. It's only 2 bars. But really good. I like this. The only technique that you need to consider is when you are cutting, let the tool do its job, so you don't force it. So it's just push it a little bit and then it will do its job. I think that's the best one. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Bye.